Are you still trying to add patterns and textures like this? Carefully painting every single scale, constantly hitting undo, and erasing the edges where you went outside the lines? It's slow, it's frustrating, and it's keeping you from having fun with your art. This is Alpha Lock, and it's about to change your life. In this video, I'll show you why this is the fastest way to add detail in Procreate. So here's how it works. Step 1, make sure you have separate layers for specific shapes and areas of your illustration. Step 2, go to the layer where you want to add a texture, pattern, or shading, and just swipe right with 2 fingers or tap the layer and select Alpha Lock. See that checkered background in the thumbnail? That's Alpha Lock. Now I can pick whatever brush I like and go wild. The pattern will only show up on the shape that is already on the layer. No mess, no stress. But here's the real trick. Because we are locking the transparency of this specific layer, you don't need to manage 100 clipping masks. It keeps your layer stack super clean. Look at this tropical fish. Without Alpha Lock, adding these stripes and spots would take forever. With one swipe, it's done in seconds. It's the ultimate tool for quick textures and organic details. So Alpha Lock is a total game changer for your workflow. It saves you time and keeps your layers organized. If you found this quick tip helpful, let me know in the comments. Or come join me at Patreon, where you'll find more than 250 Procreate drawing and painting tutorials, and where you'll truly master tools like Alpha Lock and Clipping Mask.